The Oppo Find N5 is here, and it's thinner, faster, and smarter than ever. Let's break down what makes this premium foldable stand out. Oppo has pushed the boundaries of thinness with a 4.21mm unfolded design, making it one of the slimmest foldables yet. The outer 6.62-inch AMOLED screen and inner 8.12-inch foldable display both feature 1 to 120 Hz LTPO adaptive refresh rates and up to 2450 nits brightness for an ultra-smooth and vivid experience. The titanium flexion hinge is 26% slimmer than before, and boasts a crease that's 30% shallower, ensuring a nearly seamless display. Certified for 100,000 folds, it's built to last. Under the hood, it's powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite with up to 16GB LPDDR5X RAM and 1TB UFS 4.0 storage, blazing fast for multitasking and gaming. Oppo teams up with Hasselblad to deliver a 50-megapixel ultra-vision main sensor, a 50-megapixel periscope lens with 6x optical zoom, and an 8-megapixel ultra-wide camera, giving you pro-level shots. Plus, dual 8-megapixel selfie cameras support 4K recording. With a 5,600 mAh Glacier battery, the Find N5 offers all-day power. 80-watt Super VOOC wired charging gets you to 100% in just 42 minutes, and there's 50-watt wireless charging too. Running on Android 15 with ColorOS 15, it brings AI-powered search, AI call summaries, and seamless Mac integration with O+ Connect. With IPX6, IPX8, and IPX9 water resistance, stereo Dolby Atmos speakers, and a side-mounted fingerprint scanner, it's designed for premium usability. The Find N5 comes in misty white and cosmic black, priced at $1,868 in Singapore, with sales starting February 28th. In China, it also comes in dusk purple with prices starting at 8,999 yuan, or $1,235. So is the Find N5 the best foldable yet? Let us know in the comments.